Hey guys, welcome to my channel Joe's Diet Talk. In this video, you'll be knowing about the hair fall causes, treatment, control, and hair regrowth. Many people think that hair fall is just one single problem, but it is not. As soon as you notice our hair is falling, we go grab some hair fall control shampoos, hair treatments, spend money on costly hair spa, etc. But we should make our mind clear that hair fall is not just one single problem. There are other things like diseases, some underlying causes which are linked to the hair fall. Before rushing to the store to buy some costly products, first sit and understand the underlying causes of the hair fall, and then it is very simple to treat your hair fall and you can get back your lost hair. Common reasons for hair fall: hormonal problems, nutrition problems, hereditary, tension or stress, dandruff, use of chemicals, and certain diseases. Nutrition problem. If it is related to nutrition, we need to understand what nutrients does our hair needs. Our hair needs protein. Protein to be taken according to our body weight, that is 1 gram per 1 kg. Example, a person weighing 60 kg should take 60 grams of protein a day. Iron. Iron to be taken 17 to 20.5 mg per day. Calcium. 600 to 1300 mg per day. Vitamin D3. 600 to 800 international units. Essential fatty acids. It should include both omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. Take proper nutrition from food and food supplements at least for 3 to 6 months, then you can easily find a huge difference. How to diagnose hair loss? Continuous hair fall often indicates an underlying health condition. A doctor or a dermatologist can determine the main reasons of the hair fall based on your history and physical examination. Few dietary changes and supplements can help to treat the condition better. How to prevent hair fall? Listed are the things can be done to protect your hair. Avoid tight hairstyles. Avoid pulling, rubbing and twisting of your hair. Avoid chemical hair treatments. Avoid blow dryers, hair straighteners, colors, etc. Natural remedies for hair fall. There are many different ways to maintain healthy hair. A proper diet with good essential nutrients and some external applications can give life to your hair. Balanced diet. If a person is not eating healthy, balanced meal can lead to hair fall. A well-balanced diet should contain good amount of protein because hair is made up of protein called keratin. Include adequate amount of fruits, vegetables, nuts, seeds, soybean, eggs, milk products in your daily diet. Vitamin B deficiency can lead to hair fall and hair graying, which should be corrected by including B complex rich foods in your regular diet. Herbs and oils. Certain herbs like henna, coriander juice, gooseberry powder and oil preparations like coconut, castor oil, mustard oil, etc. can be made and applied to the scalp to maintain the hair quality, and this can also increase the hair growth. Massage. Rubbing the scalp with fingertips will activate the sebaceous gland and increases the blood circulation and makes healthy hair growth. It is very normal to lose hair strands between 50 to 100 per day. Sometimes it is not noticeable, but no need to worry after the hair fall. The lost hair will be replaced by the new hair. In some cases, it is very difficult to get the hair back, and sometimes it is not possible, and sometimes it takes very long time to get the hair back. But understanding your health status is very important. Thank you for watching my channel.